What is it?
What's in there?
What is it? What is it? Show Mama. Hurry. Oh boy, there's a lot. Can you help her? No, do nice.
Look, what's in there? Look, open it up. There's something in there.
There's something in there for you. Oh, look. Is that cute? Say cute. Look in the camera. Say thank you, Grandma Maggie. Thank you.
Hey.
Oh, what's that? Is that a cup? What else do you have there?
Look, there's something else in there. Hey.
Faith, what else is in there?
What's that?
Open it up. What's that? Candy? Fishes. Goldfishes. Do you want some now? Ask Daddy.